Hello financial freedom fighters. As you can see, Jacob isn't with us for today's video, so unfortunately you're stuck with me, the investment man. Following our most recent video, Hot Stocks and a look at the week ahead, I created a poll on our Twitter account, @FutureFinances, asking our followers what video they would like to see from us next. Clearly, CIV won the vote, so here we are. Today I'll be bringing you a stock overview on CCIV and their looming merger with Lucid Motors. I'll link the Hot Stocks video in the description and I'll add it to the end card of the video in case you guys want to watch it. With that said, let's jump right into the video.
The future. It's impossible to see. And when it's finally here, it might not be what you'd expect. It might just be better. Introducing Luxury Electric. Introducing Lucid Air.
So as you can see from the Lucid website, they currently have an electric vehicle in the works that they aim to start delivering spring 2021. It's worth noting that Peter Rawlinson, previously of Tesla during the Model S pilot stage, is a member of the Lucid team behind the new EVs. Lucid is giving me serious Neo vibes, so maybe they aim to be the American Neo to rival Tesla on their own turf. With a starting price of $69,900, they are around $4,000 cheaper than the Model S starting price. With a max power of 108 horsepower and a max projected range of 517 miles, the Lucid Air could be a promising rival in the currently booming EV world. Personally, I like the look of the Lucid Air, just from a visual standpoint. So let's have a look at their Design Your page. So it looks like they have 4 models in the pipeline, but only the Air Dream Edition will be available in spring this year, the others coming later. Air Grand Touring will be available from summer 2021, the Air Touring available from late 2021, and finally the Air Pure due to drop early 2022. So here is the deception from the homepage. Only the Air Pure will have a starting price of $69,900. The Dream Edition, however, starts at $169,000, and that's with no extra add-ons. I'll leave a link in the description to the Design Yours page in case you guys want to have a little play around with it yourself. Now if we go to a glimpse of the road ahead page on the website, we can have a look at the plans Lucid have in place for the future. Obviously, that's post a successful launch of the airline. So, as you can see, they're looking to release an SUV in 2023. This is becoming a very popular next step for a lot of new EV companies based on the success of the Model X. If executed well, I can see this being a very promising, popular product for Lucid. During my due diligence, I stumbled across a Twitter post sharing they've spotted Lucid branding chargers in Miami. I cannot remember who posted this tweet, and obviously Twitter is not a credible source for information, but I'll throw a picture of the chargers on the screen now for you. Bing! However, it is known that Lucid have partnered with Electrify America, meaning customers won't have to wait for them to roll out a supercharging network similar to Tesla's. I'll pop a little screenshot of the available Lucid chargers due to the partnership with Electrify America on screen right now for you. After touching on the partnership with Electrify America, let's also talk about the $1 billion investment from the Saudi Arabia's Sovereign Wealth Fund, also known as the Private Investment Fund, or PIF for short. This allowed Lucid to build their new production plant in Arizona at the cost of what I'd probably like to estimate at 20 to 30% ownership of the holding of Lucid. Also, among the conditions of the investment from Saudi Arabia were that Lucid built an EV plant in Saudi Arabia. This would probably happen in either the city of Jeddah or in the new city that Saudi Arabia are currently building, which is called Neom. I'm sorry, I butchered that. Basically, the reason I think they would build the plant in these areas is because it's very close to the Red Sea port, and obviously Saudi Arabia are obviously seeing that it's a very good potential spot to be able to fire out a lot of Lucid products in the future. So I think I've touched on what you guys wanted to know regarding Lucid and the speculative merger with CCIV. Let's actually talk about CCIV now. Churchill Capital Corp IV is a special purpose acquisition corporation set up by former Citigroup investment banker Michael Klein. CCIV was founded solely for the purpose of effecting a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganisation, or similar business combinations with one or more business. Michael issued a statement on Tuesday in response to the inquiries for shareholders following the unusual trading over the recent sessions. The blank check company, which is formed for the purpose of acquiring a business or businesses, said it's always reviewing a range of potential businesses and the best fits for its shareholders. And here comes the quote. We do not generally comment on rumours or speculation and will not comment as to whether the company is or is not purchasing a specific business opportunity, other than saying, as noted, we are always evaluating a number of potential business combinations. Virtual shares have gained about 50% in the last 3 months amid media reports of the speculative merger with Lucid Motors. My outtake on this is that seeing the hype around CCIV based on the Lucid merger is, I genuinely don't think it's going to end up going through. Simply because Lucid have now seen how much hype is around their EVs, so whether they're going to choose to delay being able to hit the targets for spring so they can IPO by themselves, obviously that comes with a lot more paperwork for them, and what kind of effect is this going to have on the business. But there's just so much speculation around this stock and the merger. My advice to you guys, again, would be just do your own due diligence. Maybe wait for some more news regarding the merger before you actually start sinking some of your hard-earned cash into it. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully you found it informative in some way or another. Obviously, I just want to reiterate that I'm not a financial advisor, and this video has only been made for entertainment purposes. So the stock in the video is a very speculative stock, so there's a lot of risk involved. Please do your own due diligence before you put any of your own money on the line. If you like the video, please drop a like, a comment, or even subscribe. The question is, are Lucid going to be the luxury rival to Tesla? Let me know what you think in the comments. Once again, thank you for watching Financial Freedom Fighters. I have been Dan the Investment Man. Peace.